I'm Beam, and in this video I will show you how to make paper peonies. I would consider this paper craft to be suitable for people who have tried different handmade flowers before. It just requires a little more skill and patience with all the cutting of the petals, gluing the petals one by one, and waiting it to dry. I also recommend using glue gun if you have in this paper flower craft. I am excited to make these paper flowers with you. So let's get crafting. First, let's create the stamen. Cut a 5 by 40 centimeter strip from the yellow crepe paper. Make sure that you are cutting across the grain of the crepe paper. Next, stretch the strip gently to lengthen it. By stretching the paper, this will make the grains less prominent. Fine fringe the strip of yellow crepe paper. Twist each segment with your thumb and index finger to separate them into filaments. Apply glue along the base of the fringe strip. And then wrap it around the end of the thick floral wire. Keep adding glue on the strip if needed, and keep binding it around the wire. Next, bind the stamen with floral tape. Remember, the floral tape gets stickier when you stretch it. So, stretch and pull. Keep adding floral tape as needed, so to make sure that the stamen is attached securely to the stem. Using the template found in Blooms by Beam craft kit, cut 8 Petal A pieces with your light coral crepe paper. Using both your thumbs and index fingers, gently pull the wider part of each petal to form a cup. Repeat this cupping method for all the petals. Apply glue at the bottom of Petal A. Then place that petal on the base of the stamen. Apply glue on a second petal and then place it across the first petal. And then the third and fourth petals will be placed in between the first and second petals. Now continue filling in between the petals. There is a diagram provided in the Blooms by Beam craft kit, but you don't have to follow this accurately. Follow what you think feels right and arrange your petals instinctively. Next, tightly bind the flower to the stem with floral tape. For the next layers of petals, cut 12 pieces of the Petal B template found in the Blooms by Beam craft kit. Cup each petal once again with both your thumbs and index fingers. Then glue these wider petals at the base of petal A. If you have one, use hot glue gun instead of tacky glue so you won't have to wait a long time for drying the glue in the petals. With your green crepe paper, cut 5 pieces of the sepal template. Then, cut each sepal piece. Glue the sepals around the bottom of the flower. cut 3 pieces of the leaf template. Apply glue on the floral wire and place it at the center of each leaf. Once the glue is dry, gather the leaves together and bind it with floral tape. Then, bend the stems outward like a fan. Wrap more floral tape along the base of the flower up to the end of the stem. And don't forget to attach the leaf onto the middle of the stem with floral tape.